Good afternoon, coming at you here from 8320 Calvert Street in Pensacola, Florida. This home was built in 1962. Check out the generous front porch. Fantastic for entertaining. A little over 1,900 square feet. A little under a quarter of an acre. This home boasts 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and generously sized living spaces. So here we enter the home. As you can see, big open kitchen, massive dining area, plus some flex area here. Let's get another view into the living room. Fireplace, hearth the length of the wall over there. Lots of windows, very bright and airy. Take you through the kitchen a little bit. Granite countertops, big peninsula. Many can gather here. I would venture 5 or 6 even. Stainless appliances. The whole 9. We've got the luxury vinyl plank on the floor. And let's check out the master suite. So, master bedroom. Got those sliders to the backyard. Could easily fit a king-size bed in here. And we've got the master bathroom with a double vanity. Everything chic and modern. Shower surround tiled all the way to the ceiling. Back across the home. Additional bathroom. Shower tub combo. Nice size vanity. Additional bedroom 1 with the wall-to-wall carpet. Bedroom 2. Closeting along the left here is for your laundry with extra storage space, and we reach that final additional bedroom, number 4. Take a quick venture outside and see what the backyard has to offer with this quarter acre, almost, coffee nook. Big open deck, big open yard, privacy fence on most sides, and an extra deck out there from the master bedroom. And storage. So again, out here, 8320 Calvert Street in Pensacola, Florida. You don't want to miss this one. It's fantastic. Very neutral and chic, and ready for you to call it home.